According to the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013, sexual harassment can include any one or more of the following: physical contact and advances, or a demand or request for sexual favors, or making sexually colored remarks, or showing pornography, or any other physical, verbal, or non-verbal conduct of sexual nature. In 2014, Union Minister Maneka Gandhi revealed that 526 cases of sexual harassment of women at workplace were reported during the year. In 2015, two-thirds of Nifty 50 companies recorded over 525 cases of sexual harassment of women. Wipro topped the list with 111 cases, followed by ICICI Bank with 87 and Infosys with 62. Total sexual harassment cases filed at workplaces during the year could be 3 times of this number. We have yet to receive an updated list of total sexual harassment cases reported during the year 2016. But we believe there were more cases of sexual harassment of women at workplace during the previous year than any year before. Sexual harassment at workplace is real. According to a survey, 1 in every 3 women between the age groups of 18 to 34 have been harassed at the workplace at least once in their lives. Take a look at few such scenarios that depict different workplace acts which are considered sexual harassment and are followed by strict legal action if reported. Shreya, a 21-year-old ambitious girl, got her first job in an event company right after graduation. She was super excited about this opportunity, and in order to perform well, she started putting more and more efforts at the workplace. Her objective was to get a promotion within 1 year itself. However, as the dates of promotion announcement approached, she came to know from a colleague that she was not shortlisted for the promotions. Shreya was disappointed to hear this news and decided to talk to her boss regarding the same. When she called him, he asked her to meet him in his cabin after office hours. She stayed back after office hours to meet him. As the meeting got over, Shreya came out crying. Upon asking by one of her friends, she said that her boss asked her to spend a night with him. If she agreed, he would send her name for promotions. Akanksha works in a 5-star hotel as a lobby manager. Last week, when she was leaving for home after work at around 9 p.m., one of her male colleagues accompanied her in the lift. Her office is on the 16th floor, and due to late night, nobody else other than those two were in the lift. As soon as the lift hit the ground floor, Akanksha ran towards the parking lot, got into her car, and left the office premises. That night, Akanksha was molested in the lift, but she didn't tell anyone about this incident at workplace or home because she thought it could impact her image as well as employment status. Rekha, one of the 2 girls in a 15-member sales team in a Gurgaon-based NBFC, feels uncomfortable every time she's asked to stay back after work for performance meetings. A couple of her team members often crack double-meaning jokes in the name of humor. Rekha doesn't know how to handle this situation and takes the necessary actions. Ananya, a 23-year-old girl from Jaipur, got her first job as an operation executive in a Gurgaon-based company. One fine evening, when most of her senior management employees had already left the office premise, she heard a few colleagues watching something on a phone and laughing about it. It was a porn clip, and those employees insisted her to join them. She felt embarrassed and didn't know how to react to this situation. Later, when Ananya complained to the HR manager about this incident, she was told to take it easy as it was just a joke and nothing serious. Ananya resigned from her job the very next day. It's not just the victim of sexual harassment who goes through all the sufferings. The entire organization has to face the consequences. When any allegation of sexual harassment is made against any employee or management official, the organization loses the trust of its shareholders and suffers huge monetary and non-monetary losses in the market, which are tough to set off. Due to the nature of sexual harassment of women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013, even one allegation of sexual harassment can spoil a person's career and put him behind bars. The sole objective of this law is to ensure that such cases are handled in an appropriate manner. Compliance of the law is necessary to ensure that justice is met. Our workplaces are extended homes. Let's pledge to make them safer for our female colleagues and employees. A safe working environment is imperative for the growth of every employee and organization. Healthy and safe working environment without prejudices is a definite key to ensure holistic growth and progress of individuals, organizations, and nations.